Hello friends, how are you? I think you people are great, happy and wealthy. You are doing well in your life. I am Vipin Kumar in front of you. Welcome back in my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you a very good story. The name and the title of the story is The Acre of Diamond. This is the story of a rich farmer who had a very big farmhouse and his name is Hafiz. Hafiz was very happy and content, and he was happy because he is content. He was content because he was very happy. One day a wise man came to his house and he told him the glories of diamonds and also told him the power of diamonds. And he told him that if he had diamond the size of his thumb, he could buy your own city, his own city. And he also told him that if he had the diamond size of his fist, he could probably purchase his own country. After saying that, he went off from his house. That night Hafiz couldn't sleep because he was unhappy. He was discontented. He was discontented because he was unhappy, or he was unhappy because he was discontented. So he made arrangement for his family. He decided to sell out his farmhouse and secure his family and went off searching of gold from his house. He looked everywhere. He looked in Africa, couldn't find any. He looked in Europe, couldn't find any. He looked all over the world by the time, but he couldn't find any single piece of diamond. So he was disheartened and he was mentally, physically and emotionally broken. And he threw himself into a river and committed to suicide. Now we came back to his house. What happening there? The person who had bought his farmhouse, one day he was watering his camel at the stream that ran through from his farmhouse. He saw some sparkle stone like rainbow. When morning sunlight hit on it, that stone was sparkling like a rainbow. He thought it would be good for his living room. So he picked up some stone and put it on his living room. After some days, the wise man came once again and he saw a sparkling stone in his living room. He asked the owner, "Is Hafiz back?" The owner surprised and asked, "Why you are asking Hafiz? Who is Hafiz? I don't know." The wise man replied, "The sparkling stone in your living room is not a simple stone, it is diamond. When I could probably recognize it when I see one." The owner replied, "That stone are not diamond. The stone just a stone. I picked up from my stream. There are many more. You come with me, I will show you. There are many more." They went there, picked up some stone for sample, for analysis. They to ensure that stone are not only stone, that are diamond. After ensure that for analysis of the stone, they found all stones are diamond. They found it कि all farmhouse indeed with covered with the acres of acres diamond. Now you think about Hafiz. He was broke physically, mentally, emotionally and committed to suicide for searching of diamonds. But his farmhouse indeed covered with acres of acre diamond. Dear friends, this story tells us so many morals and so many teachings. We can teach from here कि if we have positive attitude, we have positive thinking in our life, so we can realize कि we are working on the acres of acre diamond. Dear friends, this story also teaches कि opportunities are always our under feet. We don't have go to anywhere. If you have a positive attitude, you can search, you can find, the opportunities are always around to you. Dear friends, we can teach from this story. The people who don't know how to recognize the opportunities, they always complain of noise when the opportunities knock on the door of those people. So please always to search and recognize the opportunities, make your life easy and happy. Dear friend, there are so many morals and teaching from this story. Please support me. Thank you and have a nice day.